Hello, in this video we'll learn about some basic tags. So here is our skeleton of basic HTML page, and within the body we'll be writing our code. And in this video we'll be discussing about p tag, h1 tag, up to h6 tag, and then a tag, and we'll discuss about em tag, where tag, code tag, and that's all. So let's start. First of all, we will define title to our this page. Suppose I'm typing basic tag, okay, and then our title is basic tag. Now within the body section, first I will type p tag. I will discuss about p tag. So for writing p tag, you need to give smaller than sign first, and then within it write p, and then close it using greater than sign symbol. And now what does p tag do? Okay, so p tag defines a paragraph, and browser adds some space before and after each p elements. So suppose I'm typing, this is my first paragraph, okay, and then I will close it. Remember that I have told you for closing any tag you need to give backslash before the your tag name. Okay, so suppose my opening tag was p, so I will close it by giving one backslash before p, okay, and then I will close it. Okay, now I will save it using Ctrl plus S button, and then I will go and run it in Chrome. You can use any of the browser that you want. In this lecture I'll be using Chrome. Okay, so now you can see that here is our output. This is my first paragraph. It is written within body section, that's why it's showing here. That's why you are seeing this is my first paragraph in this inner screen. And as you can see that basic tag is our title name, which is defined here in this title tag. So this it was about p tag. Okay, now we'll discuss about h1 tag. Okay, so h1 tag up to h6 tags, they're used to define HTML headings. Like h1 defines the most important heading, and as we move from h1 to h6, the size of the heading will go on decreasing, and h6 will define the least important heading. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, suppose I write again, I will do the same thing. I will open h1 tag, and then I will close it. Okay, and between them I will write, suppose, heading 1. Okay, I will save it. and show it to you what is my result. Okay, as you can see that heading 1 is size is bigger than that of paragraph size. Okay, now as we move from h1 to h6, you will see how my result is changing. Okay, I'm copying it few more times. Okay, and then suppose h1, h2, this is my h2 tag, and this is my s3. Okay, like this I will go up to h6. Okay, and then I will save it and show it to you that what changes you're going to see. Okay, this was 5, 6, and 4, 3. I will save it and see. As you are moving from h1 to h6, your size of your heading is decreasing. So this h tag can be used to define the heading, declare your heading of your web page or any topic that you are going to include in your web page. Okay, now after doing p tag and s tag, I will tell you about a tag, which is very important tag. Okay, so a tag defines a hyperlink and it can be used to link from one page to another, and within it href attribute is used, which indicates the link destination. Okay, so for you writing a tag, just open your a tag, okay, and close it by in this manner, and within your opening a tag, you will have to write your attribute. Remember that you cannot write attribute in your closing tag, so whenever you want to write some attribute, you will have to write it in the opening tag. So this one is my opening tag, so I will write here. I was talking about href tag, which will show my link destination. Okay, suppose href, I will type href is equal to some link. Okay, like I don't want to give here any link, so I will type hash. Okay, so this href tag, within this pair of inverted comma, you will type link of your page. Okay, so where you want to direct your current web page. Suppose if I want to direct it to Google, then I will type the link of that Google page or any page that you want. Okay, so now for the time I'm just typing a dummy link. Okay, because I don't want to give any link right now. So now here you will type, click here to go to the link. Okay, and then just save it, and you will see that here my mouse pointer is getting changed into a link. Okay, and whenever I will click on this, it will point to a new link. Okay, so it's very important, this href attribute. Now there are a few more attributes that are associated with a tag, like like auto blank, like target tag. Okay, sorry, target tag is used to tell your web browser that whether you want to open your web page in a new tab or in a same tab. Okay, suppose you want to open your new link in a new tab, then you will have to type target, and then you will give equal to sign, and then within this pairs of inverted commas you will type underscore and then blank. Okay, and then close it and just save it. Okay, now I will show you what you will see here. Whenever I'm clicking on this, each time that link is getting opened in a new tab. So suppose you want to open your new tab in same link, in same page, then you can do it using this coding. You can just make change here, instead of underscore blank, type self. Okay, and then see, let me give you break a tag first, because then it will transfer my this text to new line. Okay, but let me save it and show it to you. So click here to go to the link, the second one. and now I'll click on this, and you will see that it is again getting opened in new page. So okay, uh, I will type here underscore self, and then I'll save it. Okay, now you can see here that it is opening in same tab, but whenever I'm clicking on this, it will get opened in a new tab. So this was about a tag. So there are many more attributes related with a tag, but we'll be discussing only this two attribute here. Okay, now a few more tags that I would like to discuss here is em tag. Okay, which is used to which renders an emphasized element or text. Okay, suppose I want to write something which I want to emphasize, then I can do it using em tag. Okay, I'll show it to you how you can do it. Just open em tag and then close em tag. Okay, and within it just write this is emphasized text. Okay, and see what you are getting. So as you can see now that font style of this text is different from this one. So this is my emphasized text, and this is my default text style. Okay, similarly few more tags, like suppose you want to add a variable and then type var and then close it, and within this tag type variable I. Okay, then it will show text which is in variable format. Okay, similarly one more tag, the last tag that I would like to discuss here is code tag, which will show your text in the form of coding. Yeah, I will show it to you. Suppose type code, this is code, and close it, and then I will reload my web page. So here you can see that again my font style has changed. So this is in code format. So in this video we learn about basic tags like p tag, h1 tag up to h6 tag, and then we learn about a tag, and within that we learned two attribute, that is target blank and target self, and then we discussed about em tag and variable tag and about code tag. So next video we'll be learning few more things. Till then, thank you and goodbye.